Hey everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. To all my new watchers, hello and welcome. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my orange glazed chicken with garlic green beans. Give you guys another idea for holiday dinners. I'm going to show you everything I put inside. Let's get started. So this is a 2-day process. I started off with the night before by brining my chicken. So I am going to go ahead and open my chicken as well as wash and clip some of the fat. Take the neck and the gizzards outside of the chicken. Just give him a good bath. Next, I am going to add him to my pot. Go ahead and add water. Make sure it does cover the whole chicken. Then I am going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of salt. As well as the juice of 1 lemon, and go ahead and throw that whole thing aside as well. Next, we're going to take 2 bundles of the thyme and throw that in. Give that a good little mix. Make sure you wash your hands after with some antibacterial soap. Go ahead and stick your chicken inside the refrigerator. So now we're going on to the next day. I am going to start off by making my butter to season my chicken. I did add 3 heaping tablespoons of butter. I'm going to go ahead and also add some thyme. Then we're going to add a couple of dashes of cumin. We're going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of seasoned salt, a tablespoon of adobo, as well as a tablespoon of lemon pepper, and 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. And we are going to zest 1 orange. Now give that a good mix. And wait, we're not done. We're gonna also add about a tablespoon of parsley, as well as a teaspoon of black pepper. Now this butter is going to season our chicken. We're gonna smother this all over that bad boy. So next, rinse off your chicken to get some of that salt water off of it. Pat dry. We are going to take that orange that we zest, squeeze a little bit of that juice inside, and keep half of that orange in your chicken. That's going to help keep it moist. Next, we're just going to smother all that good seasoned butter all over our chicken. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you also put some of the butter inside of the skin and smother it all around. If you don't like touching chicken, make sure you use some gloves. But if you're not scared to get dirty, just use your hands. But make sure you do put that butter all over your chicken. Now we are going to place this in the oven at 350 degrees for 3 hours. After every hour, go ahead and baste your chicken with all of the juices. After the 2nd hour, we are going to drain all the butter and drippings that are in the pan. and we are going to start making our glaze. So you do need about half a cup of orange juice. You're going to also need half a cup of mango nectar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then you're also going to need some brown sugar. We're going to use about 2 tablespoons of that. And we're also going to add some of our drippings back into our glaze. Now we're just going to let this come to a boil. And once it does, just go ahead and start basting your chicken with that glaze. You guys don't know, that chicken smells so good and it was so delicious. While that's basting in the oven, cooking in the oven I mean, we're gonna start on our green beans. So I did clip off the ends of the green beans, and to my pan I am going to add 1.5 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and I'm just gonna go ahead and saute that for 1 minute or until fragrant. Then we're gonna add our green beans to the pan. We're gonna start off by seasoning those with a teaspoon of garlic salt and a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. We're just gonna let those cook for 15 minutes on a medium-low heat with the lid on. And those are so delicious, you would love them. So the last 30 minutes of cooking our chicken, I did let it broil for 30 minutes. That way it can have this nice, beautiful golden brown color. It smells delicious. It's so moist and so juicy. You can also take those drippings and make gravy if you would like. But our meal is complete. I did pair this up with some golden mashed potatoes. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. And hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.